name is Karen Fuentes, and we will be talking about the female reproductive system. So the female reproductive system produces female sex hormones that maintain the reproductive cycle. This system is made up of internal organs and external structures. Its function includes producing female gametes, which are called eggs, secreting female sex hormones such as estrogen, providing a site for fertilization, gestating a fetus if fertilization occurs, giving birth to a baby, and also breastfeeding a baby after birth. The internal organs are the vagina, which I did not put it here. Sorry. Right here, it's this section right here. Let me take this off. The vagina is a canal that joins the cervix, the lower part of the uterus, right here, to the outside of the body. It is also known as the birth canal. The uterus, which is this one right here, is a hollow pear-shaped organ that is the home to develop a baby. The uterus is divided into parts, which is the cervix, which is the lower part right here. If we see it, I cannot move it. Right here. Which opens into the vagina, and the main body of the uterus is called the corpus, right here. The corpus can easily expand to hold and develop the baby, or the fetus. A canal through the cervix allows sperm to enter and also for the menstrual blood to come out. The ovaries right here, these two, are small, and they are located in both on either side of the uterus. The ovaries produce eggs and hormones. The fallopian tubes are this one right here. The fallopian tubes are narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus right here and serve as a pathway for the eggs that are coming from the ovaries to travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Fertilization of an egg by a sperm normally occurs in the fallopian tubes. The fertilized eggs then moves to the uterus, where it implants to the uterine lining. Thank you.